to another video. Today we have a new tool, Milwaukee SDS Plus Rotary Hammer. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Big shout out to my man Stan the Man for helping out the channel, letting us know about the latest news, new tools, deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So we got the M18 1-inch M18 Fuel 1-inch SDS Plus Rotary Hammer. This is the tool only. It says next generation. Let's see here. Having trouble with loading the pictures here. I'm just going to go over the... Yeah, it's not loading up. So this is the tool only basically. It says includes M18 1SDS Plus 2912-20. And then we have... This is the kit. So it is the kit. It does include the tool, the M18 lithium high output 6 amp hour battery pack, and M18 M12 rapid charger. So that it comes in 3 different variants. The other kit that it has, it's the more complete kit. It does have the vacuum. It does include the fuel hammer back, 1-inch dedicated dust extractor. So that's it right there. I don't have exactly the prices for these because it doesn't. Hopefully, maybe it'll take me. Yeah, it's not gonna take me. It's just a newer tool, and oh yeah, hopefully it'll take me there. All right, so it did take me here. According to Home Depot's website, it's gonna be $679. With the vacuum, which is a great deal because you're going to get the whole vacuum, the whole deal there. And that's one great thing to have because if you're going to be doing indoor, treatments, then you're pretty much going to need something like that. Let me see if I can find how much are the other ones. Hopefully I can find out. Let's see, copy. Paste. Hopefully I can see. Yeah, okay. So we have here, this is the hammer drill with the extractor kit, and this is just the tool only with the kit itself, with the batteries and chargers. So $579, and we don't have a bare tool. So that's all the prices that I have for you now. Again, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.